Greetings to all. We are from Vailtech High Tech Engineering College. Our project is mainly the efficient bilateral arm trainer monitoring stroke patients using WSN. We are from Department of ECE. Abstract. The methodology used in my project is bilateral arm trainer, which uses electronic functions using the wireless sensors. It is used to measure the recovery of patients precisely and accurately. Since wireless sensors is used, each sensor do its performance and automatically collected. These are the literature survey. The existing system uses motion capture system, which is used to control the subjects. The sensors will be fixed in the patient's joints, and when the patient moves his hand, the angle moved will be displayed in the screen. The problem identified is whether the patient recovered or not. It cannot be determined, and abnormal synergies takes place. The main objective of our project is to assess the precise recovery of an individual and to collect the performance automatically. The proposed system is bilateral arm trainer. As we said, here we use 4 sensors. Each sensor is responsible for automatic data collection. Since the autonomous sensing, the caregiver's intervention is reduced. Even the illiterate person can operate the exercise machine. We use ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance. This is the block diagram of a project. Here we use PIC microcontroller, which consists of inbuilt ADC, so that the sensor's analog value will be automatically collected into digital, and these values will be displayed in a LCD. The UART is used for serial communication, and ZigBee, which can be transmitted over 100 meters. These are the software and hardware requirements. We consist of 5 hardware modules, sensing modules here, 4 sensitive resistor. This sensor is used for collecting the pressure applied by the patients. Here it consists of 4 layers. Now FSR flow is shown below. As much the force applied, the resistance will be decreased. MEMS is used to find the inclination in X, Y and Z direction. The chip consists of built-in self-test, and it can be used as sensors and actuator as well. Heartbeat sensor is used to find the digital value of person's heartbeat rate. When a person's heartbeat rate occurs, the LED flashes in unison. The output will be high when the heartbeat rate occurs, and it will be 0 when no heartbeat is detected. Ultrasonic sensor is used to find the distance of the handle that can be moved by the stroke patients. The trigger pulse of 10 microseconds is sent using the trigger pin, and when any object is detected, the echo pin receives the receive signal, and the distance is calculated using the both signals. Specifications of sensors. Controlling module is PIC microcontroller. It is based on hardware architecture, and advanced pipelining is used. The pin number used is 16F8778. The program and data have different bus, and address and data are also on different bus. The output module is liquid crystal display, which is an electronic display, is compact and lightweight compared to cathode ray oscilloscope and reduced radiation. The applications are in palm-top medical instruments, cellular phones. It can display 224 different characters and symbols. Serial interface module. Universal asynchronous receiver transmission is used for serial communication over computer or peripheral devices. It transmits the bits in sequential fashion. Consists of shift register which perform this sequential fashion. RS-232 is major component of UART, which is used for computer serial ports connections. It is used for long distance communication compared to USB. This is the pin description of RS-232. The data transmission module. The ZigBee is used for data transmission module between the circuit and the personal computer. The maximum network capacity is 64,000 nodes. Visual Basic is easiest programming language. A programmer can create her own application using the components that can be provided using the Visual Basic. Programming in Visual Basic is nothing but the combination of arranging the components or controls in a blank form and specifying the actions for those components. Both simple and complex UI can be created. This is the Visual Basic output. The age, height and weight can be entered by us, and BMI, grip pressure, distance are automatically calculated based on the sensor's work. A circuit diagram and simulation for a project. This is snapshots of our hardware kit. First, the heartbeat rate is detected when a person keeps a finger on a kit, and the LED flashes in unison when it detects any heartbeat. The third picture shows our hardware, which consists of two handles. In one handle, the FSR is fixed, and above, the ultrasonic sensor is fitted to find the distance that can be moved by the patients. And the fourth figure represents the load cell, above which the load will be weighted to find the maximum and accurate load that can be lifted by the patient. These are the results for heartbeat rate sensor and pressure sensor, ultrasonic sensor for normal and abnormal patients. The main advantage of a project is the data is automatically collected and updated, and load givers and caregivers intervention is reduced. The distance can be accurately measured using ultrasonic sensor. The sensors work will be collected and displayed in a LCD. The future enhancement it will be mainly focusing on reducing the size of the trainer and making the less weights by using lighter woods. We can replace the ZigBee by ANT Plus for reducing the power dissipation. Thank you.